Hello everyone and welcome to this week's game development log video diary, and this week I've been creating some new areas and adding a load of new models into the game. This week has been a little bit hectic because I've also been preparing to move to Germany tomorrow, so I've had to take some time away from development this week to sort out all the packing and organising. But although I haven't added any new features to the game, I did manage to spend some time working on a couple of new models and textures. So firstly, I added in a few of the community made models that you guys have been sending in. So the town in the desert now has this lovely new food stall here, and there are also these new wall mounted torches which I've temporarily placed at the town's entrance, but I'll definitely be using them a lot more when I create some new towns. As well as that, there are also a few new weapons in the game this week. So there's this glowing spirit dagger, this flaming bow, and also this awesome looking battle staff. And there's one new player animation as well this week, which is this walking animation here, so you no longer just have to run around the whole time. On top of all that, I also created a couple of new areas in the world this week to showcase a few more of these new models, and you can see the first of these new areas here, which is the farmland. This area will be located somewhere in the west where farming is a bit more common, so probably somewhere around here on the map. And you might have noticed a couple of new models in this area, such as the Windmill, this small signpost, and the new willow tree. And finally this week, here is the other new area which I've been working on, and as you can see it has quite a few of the new models that I've actually been creating recently. In terms of the world map, this area would be somewhere around here, and as you can see it has a number of new models in it, all of which have hand-painted textures, which is actually something that I'm working on quite a lot at the moment. So that is unfortunately it for this week. A bit of a short one this time because, as I mentioned earlier, I've only really been able to spend a couple of days working on the game this week, but once all the moving is done, I'll be getting back to the Kickstarter preparations. There's going to be a new behind the scenes devlog video tomorrow showing all the stuff that I've been getting up to over the last couple of weeks, so keep a lookout for that. And do keep sending in your questions for the Q&A video, because I'm probably going to be doing that in about 2 weeks' time. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching this video. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Have an amazing week, and I will see you all next time.